That's what I am stressing on this point. Where is book? Where is book? Where is book? So kindly help me. This is my request.
Juhi is the top one in distributing Bhagavatam sets in the world.
Hare Krishna. So, on behalf of Juhu Temple, I'll just share what we do there, what avenues we do there. So, one is we have 2 bus parties, Sankirtan bus parties, where 8 to 10 brahmacharis in each bus. They travel various parts of India, and daily in the bus, they do book bag. Brahmacharis carry a bag and they go to wherever they park in a city or a taluka or a village. They go to court, they go to schools, they go to colleges, they go to collector office and municipality offices, and they go to shops which are on the road. And in the bus, we also have a stall behind the bus. So they open it in the market in the evenings, morning and evening, and that is how they do book distribution. Second, that we already have bookstalls inside the temple where Juhu gets lots of new people daily, temple visitors. So there we do book distribution. During marathon time especially, we do book distribution at railway stations. If you have been in Mumbai, Mumbai local suburban railway station is heavily crowded. It is so crowded that I guess in next Bhagavatam, when Vyasdev writes, one of the hellish planets, they will write this local train. It is so crowded. So, we take permission from DRM, the management of railways, and we put up stalls there, put up tables there. There is Dadar railway station. You will be surprised, in one bridge, just in one bridge, there can be 20 to 30 stalls and still everybody will be full. Chopati devotees and Juhu devotees, sometimes Miraro devotees, they come there and we don't even know there's some stall just few minutes or few seconds near you. It's so much heavily crowded. Of late there had been issues about the permission. So this is another avenue we do in this thing. We have some devotees who do traffic signals. They go on the road, and when the car stops when the signal is red, they show a book, and that's a quick transaction. Some devotees go residential areas. They take permission and go door to door and distribute books. We also have e-book distribution and website, iskonbooks.com. You can have a look, wherein we get orders from people who browse internet and they want book to be delivered to them, or they want book to be delivered as a gift to somebody else. Especially those who are NRIs outside India, if they want to send or preach to their relatives, if they send a book from their place to India, it will be very costly for them, the postage. But if they request us to do it for them, it is very cheaper for them. So many NRIs want to give gift of Bhagavad Gita or Bhagavatam set or any other book to their relatives. I recall there was one doctor from his district staying in Gulf, and he requested me, I want to give gift of Bhagavad Gita to all doctors in my district. All doctors, unknown, all doctors. He got a sheet from internet, all the doctors from his area, and he gave us the address, he paid the money, and we gave dispatched one book to all of them. So this is very nice going, e-book distribution, iskonbooks.com. A very majority of our distribution in Marathon also comes from corporates. We have devotees who collect Vidyadan, and they give them bulk books, and these people who give money, they take the books and they give to their clients, they give to their employees, or they in general distribute. Some people in shops, they take boxes of books and keep with them, and if they get good customers who have given good business to them all over the year, they give them a book. We also have Vidyadan donors who don't take books, who just give money. And that book is used to subsidize the books, and they are given to jails or hospitals or anath ashrams or schools, just like we heard this Gita contest. So our devotees did that also. So these are some avenues we do book distribution. That's all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Prabhuji.